Hey everyone, Casey with CX Mods. We've got a RAV4 in the garage and we're going to be installing something that we've already done on the Corolla Cross, and that's going to be our hood strut kit. I go into detail a little bit more in the Corolla Cross video than I will today, just because the installation is very similar. The orientation on the bracket's slightly different, but overall it's about the same process. So let's get started on that. I'm going to begin removing the 12mm bolt on the top part of the hood bracket. And then you're going to install the bolt into the middle part of the hood bracket, and the pivot ball is going to be on the inside. So the difference between this and the Corolla Cross is that the pivot ball was on the outside. So the brackets are slightly different between the two platforms. That looks good there. So for the bottom bracket, I found it easiest just to remove the bottom portion of the hood strut and connect it to the bracket. And on the bottom bracket, it's going to be going forward and the pivot ball will be inward. Kind of the same orientation as the top bracket. To get this bottom part on, you're going to want to take this retaining clip off and then snap that in. Get that put back on. And then I'll set that aside so we can get the 12mm bolt removed. You'll want to be careful when you take this out, just because the bolt could fall into the wheel well. That wouldn't be fun to retrieve. So get this snuck in there. And then you'll want to tighten this down all the way now, since you won't be able to get a good angle at it once the hood strut's on. That's good. Let's screw this back in. And then I'll need to remove the retaining clip on this, which I've already done, so let me grab that. So then we'll just want to push that in. The retaining clip back on. And you're all set for that side. So I just want to go over something with you, just for transparency reasons. I thought this side was going to be the same as the other, but when you get the hood strut connected to the top bracket, the holes for the retaining clip are on the back side, and I tried getting it lined up and I fumbled with it for too long. So what I ended up doing was just, as you can see, unbolting the top bracket and then getting it positioned to where I can get to the holes, lined it up, and now I can get the clip in. So all you have to do is then orientate the bracket and then just install that top bolt back on. And then one last thing to add, since the hood strut's in line with that bolt, you are going to have to use a wrench of some sort just to get in there. So now that we're done, we just need to test them out. You need to help them up a little bit. They're not going to lift the hood up, but they're going to hold it. Seems like, yeah, no issue there. Alright, we're good to go. So there you have it. They're doing their job. You can get rid of the hood prop if you want. I'm going to leave it. That's personal preference, but you shouldn't have any problems. But if you do, you can always email us at sales@cxmods.com or find us on social media and message us there. Thanks again.